What is going on, guys? Justin OVO update back again with another video. Today we're going to be getting into all of the latest NOCTA news regarding the drop coming up on Saturday, as well as the new shoes that just broke surface today that will be releasing this fall. We also got to catch up on the OVO releases that's going to be coming up this spring season. So without further ado, guys, let's hop straight into today's video. Kicking things off, we have the North American release for the items that we didn't get in the original drop. The turtleneck, the t-shirts, and the tracksuit. Those items will be coming to North America on the 19th on Sneakers app if you're in America, but also you may be able to grab your hands on these items over at OVO in store. Not too sure about online, but in store next week as well. I'm sure they'll make an announcement, so stay on the lookout for that. If you guys remember, back in December we didn't really get the tracksuits here, the turtleneck, or the t-shirts, so finally we're going to be getting a full release over on Sneakers and possibly at OVO as well. So stay posted to my page for all updates on that release. 10 a.m. on Sneakers if you're in the US. Download the Sneakers app. The mock neck is $70 US, the t-shirts are $45, the hat is $32, the tracksuit jacket is $135, and the tracksuit pants are $100. So again, pricing not too crazy. If you are in Canada, expect prices to be like $15 to $20 more than that. So yeah, that is the NOCTA release coming up on the 19th. Alright guys, so now moving on to OVO. I know you guys are ready to hear about the Drake Nike shoes, but quickly we gotta touch on OVO. Now, it has been what seems like a year now since OVO's dropped. We're so used to those back-to-back weeks of drops, but they are taking a break. They did this last year, so expect a return to come in February. I know you guys are missing out on the store vlogs and all the unboxing videos. Time to save up because I'm sure February is going to have a lot of heat, especially that NOCTA drop in number 2 coming in on February 23rd. That is going to be another great release. Alright guys, and now what everyone's been waiting for, the official Drake and Nike NOCTA sneaker. The official name for it is Hot Stepa Air Terra. Very interesting, a silhouette we have never seen before. And let me know what you guys think. A lot of you guys are saying it looks like Fila's. Man, I'm really not too sure about how I feel on the shoe just yet. I mean, we don't even have official photos out, but a retail price at $150, definitely not bad at all. That's probably like 180, 200 Canadian. So price point wise, it's not too bad. But the actual look of the shoe, it's interesting. It's sort of that dad shoe look, very big, very chunky. I don't know if white isn't a good color for this shoe or not. Honestly, for now, I'm not too crazy over the shoe. Definitely want to see some official photos, definitely want to see some official colorways, but fall 2021, so we're probably gonna have to wait up until around October. I'm also pretty sure Drake was seen wearing a black pair of these as well. I'm not too crazy about them for now. I definitely want to see the details, want to see the quality. Hopefully threw on a NOCTA or a Nike logo or like something on the shoe to make it pop out and stand out a little bit. But overall, nothing too crazy. I know you guys maybe think I'm super excited for this shoe. Honestly, I'm really not. I'm more excited for the OVO Air Forces, which are planned to be coming up this year as well. So you're gonna want to stay locked to the channel for all information regarding OVO, NOCTA, all that good stuff. And I appreciate you guys for rocking with me in the new year. I know it's been a really slow month, but we're definitely going to be heating up towards the end and February, March, and the rest of 2021. So with that being said, guys, thank you for watching today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'm going to catch y'all in the next one. Peace.